senior running back Sean Wick making the Dope Walker watch list.
Yeah. So there's this kid, Anakin Skywalker. He's getting raised by Obi-Wan Kenobi. And coming to episode 3, he actually becomes evil. And then 4, 5, and 6, he actually has a son. He ends up fighting his dad, but he doesn't know it's his dad.
He got this. Oh, she's a super freak, she's super freaky. Oh, see? Look at the car. I might be off my rocker a little bit, but what do you know?
Okay. Arnold Schwarzenegger trying to get out a ticket.
Officer, I was trying to go fast. No, I was only doing with a speed limit.
Going to the dentist and Batman.
Okay, looks like you got a couple cavities here.
I'm the Batman.
I know your name.
I'm the Batman.
Do you floss?
I'm the Batman.